Is everyone? It is Hitanshu and we start today's topic of crash course, and today's topic is variable and storage classes. Now we talk about variables and type of variables. The variables are mainly two types, but I am give example of here three types. Mainly variables are local variable and global variable. Static type of variable used also in storage class. Now we talk about local and global variable, and now talk about local variable and global variable. Local variable, the variable that defined within a body of a function or a block. The local variable can be used only the function block in which they are declared. The same variable can use different function in such ways like function int a b, function calling. Okay, now I'll give you example here. This is curly braces open and close. Okay, if I declare int a b inside this curly braces means it is body of a function, and now I can use only int a b here but not anywhere in the program. Okay, if I use int a here, I declare in, which means I declare again in it for function 2. I cannot use this int a here. This is limited scope of local variable. Now global variable, the global variable which means which are declared outside of a function, and it can be used anywhere of a program. It not has any foundations, so it is a global variable used by globally. Static variable, it is initialized by static data type variable name, like example static int a, which means it is initialized by 0, and it is now storage classes. Store classes in C language specifier which tells compiler how to store variables and its initial value, scope of variables in a program, defined by the class where storage classes. Syntax of declaring classes are store classes, data type, variable name. Now there are four type of storage classes. Automatic means auto, with the data type auto, keyword is auto, and register keyword register. For static, keyword is static, and for external, keyword is external. Okay, now here is some theory of a storage class. Compiler assume different store class based on storage class tells about storage place where the variable would be stored. Initial value, what value would be initial value of variable if initial value is not assigned. Then what value taken by uninitialized variable, which means automatically what value is get by the help of that type of storage class for a variable. Scope of variable, what would be scope of a variable in a program? It will be a local variable or a global variable. Lifetime, it is a time between the creation or and distribution of variable, how much long it variable exists, which means what is the lifetime of a variable. Auto class, storage class, the class used to declare automatic storage class into is auto. It is feature. Storage memory location, it is stored in a memory location. Default initial value is unpredictable value or garbage value. Scope, local to block or function which value is defined in a variable defined. Scope, local to block or function in which variable is defined. Limited scope of it is local variable. Okay. Lifetime, till the control remains within the function of block in which it defined, and it's terminated when function is released, which means the lifetime of a automatic storage class is until the function is terminated release. It means the end of function scope ends its lifetime. The variable without any storage class specifier called it automatically. If you don't use any storage class specifiers, it is, if we don't initialize any variable without any storage class, it will be automatically or by default automatic variable. Here is example. Here is auto int I and print its garbage value, which is taken by a random variable. Register storage class. The keyword used for declare register class is register, and storage class CPU register which is located in ALU. It is default initialized value is garbage value. Scope local to function or block in which it is defined. Lifetime. It controls remains within function or block defined, which means its control is only by the function in which it is defined. Like it is register int I, here I is equal to 1, I is smaller than 2, and it is print I to 12. Static storage class. The keyword is static, and storage memory location is memory location. Default initial value is 0. Automatically it give the from the compiler value is 0. Scope local to block or function it will define, and it is continue with the function is called to the value. External class is defined by extern. Storage memory area. Default initial value is 0. Scope globally it can be used, and lifetime is long as long program execution remains strained, which means until the program is executed it will be as value. Now here I give you example of static, auto and register. Static and I printf static default value is %d hash comma. Now same do for auto and j. Now I have same do for the same c. Auto now for register and k here. Now okay, now we can see static by default value is 0, and auto can be any value from the garbage, and register also take any value from garbage. It result can be changed or not of auto and register. It remains same. If we tried after some time, it value can be changed after some programs. Auto and register if we don't give any value to it. Thank you for this. It is a very small video. Hope you like it. Please share, subscribe and comment. Thank you.